Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. I have a little bit of a different setup today. I've recently been redecorating my room, so that's why the background looks a little bit different. I finally got to my Enhypen Manifesto Day 1 package in the mail. It literally got released on Monday, but I feel like it's been I've been waiting forever. Also, they delivered it to the wrong address, and I got the text message that it was like delivered to this other apartment building that's like a 10-minute walk from here, and I was like, I went over there, I told the security guard that my package was delivered there, and then he just like let me take it. I got the set, so I got the full set and the Enhypen version, or the Enhypen, no, the engine version. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry, my brain is a little bit, woo. There should be 6 albums that I am unboxing for you guys today. I'm really excited. I really enjoyed the album, like listening to the album. My favorite song is Shout Out. I shared it on my Instagram story. Follow my Instagram. Also follow my TikTok. I made a TikTok account, so follow that too. Just follow all my socials. Really like Shout Outs. I really like That Feeling one. Just so good. And also the music video for Pass the Mic was so good. This looks like the engine version or whatever, like the compact. And then I also have like the big boys right here. So here's my Weverse pre-order benefits. I don't know what it is, but let's take a look. It looks like these are like card holders. Oh wait, that's so cute. Wait, okay, so there's 3 different colors obviously, but they look like this. I'm assuming you can just like attach them to like your phone or your purse or whatever. Wow, that's really smart. I really like these. Okay, so there's that. And then these little PC folders. Oh, these Weverse pre-order benefits are super duper cute. Ooh, these are like really big lenticular. Oh, so this one's Heesung, if you can see. Awesome. It's not even little, like a big lenticular postcard, and you have the full group, and then you have like a specific member. And then this one, Samu! Wow, so cute. Oh, this way. And then I guess this is like a PC set. These are so nice. You get a full set. Wow, these are also like holographic. So here's Jungwon and Heesung, Jay, Jake, Sunghoon, Sanu, and Nikki. Wow, these are so nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, these pre-order benefits were so good. Okay, I'm obsessed already. Now let's take a look at the album. So first I'm gonna start off with these. So they're literally just like by the letter that's on the front of the album. So this is the D. This is D version. So let's go ahead and open up that one. So these are the ones that Enhypen designed themselves, to my understanding. Okay, so when you open it, it looks like this. The photo book. Ooh. Wow. I like that the poster's small, because I like probably, I don't really put up posters anymore. And then you have the lyrics to the songs on the back of the poster. And Heesung! Oh, there's one more in there. Heesung and Nikki. So here are my PCs for D version. Wow, Nikki looks so cool in this concept. And then you get stickers too. These are perfect because I'm literally going to be journaling. Okay, so this is District. I guess District D version, I guess. But yeah, so that is that album. Also, the feeling of this album, it's like matte, kind of in soft, and then here it's obviously glossy, like the letter. Let's go with J now. So here's the J version. So here's the poster for J version. This is Junction, J for Junction. Okay, I like it, I'm liking it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Wow, Jake is stunning. They look great, they look great. Who do I see, who do I see? Jungwon and Sanu, period. I love it. Wow, also, Jungwon in this hair color. He's such a cutie. I can't even tell if these are focused in properly. So here is the disc. So that is Junction version. Okay, so it's District, Junction, and whatever M stands for. Ooh, I like this version already. So here's the poster for this version. So M version stands for me. The names of the, I guess the versions are on the inside of the box. And who did I get? Sungwoon and Jungwon! Wow, they look so good. Look at Sungwoon in this. Wow. Stunners. Amazing. So that was the engine version designed by Enhypen. Let's go ahead and open up the regular versions now. So far, I do not have any Jake or Jay, who they are my biases, so that's fun. But I do like all the members, so that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. This is District version. I'm opening them up kind of in the same-ish order. These are tattoos, I think. Another poster. Okay, so you only get folded posters for this. And they're very glossy. Honestly, they're very nice quality. So this is what this one looks like. And, ooh, I see PCs and stuff down here. I literally was just talking about how I didn't pull any Jake or Jay, and wow, they both showed up in this album. And I got a Jungwon like postcard slash like picture, because this is definitely not like postcard material, it's just like a picture. So I pulled at least one of each member, so that's amazing. And then I think you like scratch this. I'll do that. Actually, should I just do that right now? Wow, Sungwoon. Wow. I want to see if it's like anything like worth noting or special. Oh, it's a message. So it's like a special message from Nikki, this one. So I guess you get a special message from each member. So that's what this one says. Wow, so fun. Okay, all of the inclusions. I see you, Enhypen. I see you. Oh, and there's a pin in here too. Wow, they knew what we wanted. I love pins to put on like my tote bags and stuff, especially like subtle things that can kind of be like, oh yeah, like I'm a stan, but like you don't necessarily need to know I'm a stan. Just like represent the groups that you like, you know? And I'm saying that as I literally have a keychain of Hoshi from 17 like on my daily work tote bag, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? The next version, which I believe is Junction. Wow, I'm really happy with these pulls. These are so great. Seems like there's a pretty good distribution. Oh, this poster looks... No, this is different, I think, kind of. I don't really remember. So this is what this poster looks like. Can you even see? It's like very glossy. Okay, there you go. So there's that poster. Okay. Oh, Jungwon again. Jungwon loves me. Wow. Okay, Jungwon, bet. You get a different pin. You bet I'll put all 3 pins on my tote bag. Ooh, Nikki and Sanu. Wow, I really like Nikki's hair like this, actually. I think he looks really cute. Another little secret message, so I'm gonna go ahead and scratch that. This one's from Heesung, but this is what Heesung wrote, if you can see it. Okay, so that was Junction version. So I'm going to open up me version now. Here's my pin. This one's cute. And I already saw my PCs. Okay, I got Sungwoon and Jay. Yay! Oh my gosh, so cute. Here's my special message card, which I will scratch soon. And shut up, shut up. I got a Jay photo. Immaculate. I loved, wow. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Ooh, okay. Oh, something is happening with this poster. I like this one. This one's really cool, actually. So here they are. I think my favorite is me version. I think. got Jay's message. Wow. Me version really said, we're doing this for you. Because they knew. Okay, here is Jay's message. So I'm gonna quickly go over all of my pulls one more time. I mixed them all up, but for the postcards, I got 2 Jungwon and 1 Jay. And then for all of the PCs, I'll show you like each member and like how many of them I got. I got 2 Jungwon. I got 2 Nikki. 2 Sanu. 2 Sanghoon. From these, so one is from the engine version and one is from the regular version. And then I got 2 J. And I got 1 Heesung and 1 Jake. So those are all my pulls. And oh, also for the special messages, I got J for this one, for the me version. For Junction, I got Heesung. And then for District, I got Nikki. And then for, I guess for like the lenticulars, I got Heesung and Sanu. And you also get like a full set of special Weverse Pob like PCs for all of the members, which are really, really beautiful holographic PCs. So I'm really, really happy with my pulls. I'm happy with this album. Stream Past the Mic, like it's so good. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.